hope you guys are safe and doing well in your life. Here's your friend Rajneesh Wes, and today I'm going to talk about a very important, very interesting topic. You know, your team is your reflection. Yes, you know, the people have you already saw, already observed in your life. There's so many calls you already received in a day, like some because of some promotional activities. Like just one example, you already received one very common things, some credit cards regarding some sales. The people are already calling from the behalf of any bank. Just example like HDFC Bank, ICICI banks. The behalf of that, they offer some interesting you know facilities along with your credit card, kind of these things. So yes, you same thing also. If you have any shop, or you are any shop owner, you know you running any businesses, yeah, if you running any team, you are, so there's things what you have to do. You have to take care of your team. I will tell you why is it important. Because when you take care of your team, then, because the people already working with you, they reflect your brand value into the market. They present ourselves just behalf of you, behalf of your brand, behalf of your work ethics, behalf of your good things you already created by yourself in the past time. So they stand in front of the people, front of the customers, front of the guests, where you want to serve, and they will consume your services, your products, because of you, because of your brand, because of your creations you already created before by your hard work. So this is become very important, that you have to train your employees, you have to you have to nurture your employees, you have nurture your team, you have to make them expert about your work, you have to explain about your product, they should be fulfilled about your product, they should be well educated, will will understand about your product and services. That's why they can explain your product to the customer, they can explain to your product. And if when they your employees will not be, your team member will not be well trained, well educated about your product and services, so what you expect, what they will be explained to other people, to other customers, to other guests. So it's become very important. You have to train them, you have to educate them, you have to nurture them about your product and services. Because because your team is reflect to yourself, they reflect to you, they reflect your brand value into the market. So that's why it's become very important, very essential to take care of your team, to take care of each and every member. You can do assign some multiple tasks to them, which is not like that what they are doing a particular assigned work. You can do mix and match also. Every single team member, they should be trained for other than multitasking works. It's not matter that they are this department, not, they should be cross trainings, they should be educated about other work. Because what happened in the market, where I observe the people, the customer, they just ask where from this bank, that bank, from that hotel, and then asking the queries, asking the questions, and that time the people, your team member with not enough sufficient knowledge, they cannot solve the queries at right that moment. So by which their very bad impact, in the guest mind, customer mind, that the people, the staff from that particular organization, they are not good, they are not well educated. So this is the very weak point of your losing your services, you're losing your revenue, because of just minute thing. You're not taking care of your team, you're not understanding your team value. So people, keep in mind, train your team member, train your other colleagues, your employees to betterment, to for good serving to guests, to good serving to people, for the better product, for better service. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourselves. Thanks a lot.